Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Mel.Holistic. I am Mel, short form for Melissa. Are you experiencing anxiety or suffering from stress? It could be due to work or your personal life or just about anything. And that you can't seem to get out of this cycle and you're constantly feeling uptight about everything. You're constantly worrying about this, that, your work, everything. And you just want to feel a calm and peaceful mind. Well, I used to be feeling very stressful about my work or just about many things in my life. But ever since I practice yoga, things have got so much better and I now live with a very calm and peaceful state of mind. And so today I'd like to share with you some yoga poses and sequences that you can practice with me to help you feel less stressed, feel more joyous, feel more calm, and hopefully you can feel less anxiety in your life. And once you're ready to join me, let's grab a mat or you could be on your bed to do your yoga and let's begin. Now as we start the class, remember that we will be using our nostrils to breathe in and out, keeping our mouth closed, except that I will have to keep my mouth open because I have to talk, right? So this inhalation and exhalation throughout the whole yoga class actually helps us to calm our mind down, feel relaxed, and it helps us to achieve a peaceful state of mind. So remember throughout this whole class to just use your nostrils to deep inhale and slow exhalation. Alright, so once you're ready, come to sit with your back upright, eyes closed, shoulders away from your ears. Deep inhalation, filling your abdomen with air, let it bulge out. Exhale, pull your belly button in closer towards your back. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Continue to pull the crown of your head high up towards the ceiling as you inhale. Exhale. Now when you inhale, think of positive thoughts. Let it flow into your body. Exhale, pushing out all bad and negative thoughts and energy away from you, far, far away from you. One last breath in. One breath out. Slowly open up your eyes. From our neck, let's come to a seated twist. So first, pull your left foot closer towards your right glutes and stack your right foot outside of your left knee. So I'll just do a side angle for you to take a look closer. Right hand on your outer right thigh, left hand up, and now push your right hand into your right thigh and twist over to your right side. Place your elbow outside of your right knee and twist over to look behind over your right shoulder. Breathing in and out. Sit up tall. Just feel some compression within your abdomen. And we release. Good. Now we change side. So now stack your left foot outside of your right knee. Left hand pushing your left knee inwards towards your body's midline. Right hand up and right elbow outside of your left thigh. And look over your left shoulder this time round. Continue to inhale and exhale. Never hold your breath in any yoga pose. And good, slowly we release from the pose. Now coming into cat and cow pose, which is one of my favorite poses. You can do this every morning, every night on your bed, on the mat, anywhere. So first, stack your shoulders above your wrists, knees are hip width distance apart. As you inhale, arch your back, look up, chin up, shining your chest out. And as you exhale, rounding your back. Look at your knees, by your thighs. One more time, inhale, arch your back, look up, chin up. Exhale, rounding your back. One more time, inhale, arch. Exhale and round. Coming into neutral back. Now slowly walk your palms forward into extended puppy pose. What we want to do here is to really lengthen and stretch out our back, lengthening more, open up our chest, shoot your pelvis high up towards the ceiling. Continue to breathe in and out in extended puppy pose. Continue to engage your breath in and out. One more time. Breath in and out. Good. Now sit back, putting your hips back onto your heels and sit in child's pose. Your knees can be apart or together, depending what is comfortable for you. I like my knees to be apart. And just rest the forehead on the mat, or you can also place your forehead on a block, whichever is comfortable for you. Alright, now coming back into all fours, let's go into downward facing dog. So first curl your toes, pushing your knees away from the mat and shoot the pelvis high up towards the ceiling, walking the dog. Just to loosen up the calf muscles slightly. Walking the dog, bending your knees alternately. Pushing your hands forward, lengthening your back. Once you're ready, join me in downward facing dog. Good. Now step your right leg forward in between your palm, followed by your left foot. Coming into standing forward fold. Now grab onto the opposite ends of your elbows. And now rock your hips from side to side. Breathing in and out, just feel relaxed. And just hold it there. And breathe in and out. In and out. Just like gravity, pull your body down. Feel relaxed. Just think about how you can reach your back lower. Don't think about anything else. Just stay in the moment, enjoy the moment. And now slowly roll yourself up. Hands down first. Keep on looking at your toes. Slowly roll your body up, pulling your back up vertebrae by vertebrae, with your head the last to lift. And now we come into tree pose. So as a mirror reflection, you can first bend your right knee, balance your weight on your left foot, and now turn your right knee out. Alright, now your foot, try to reach as high as you can on your opposite inner thigh. But if you can't, just place it slightly above your knee or below your knee, right? Never at your knee. Alright, so find a spot that's comfortable for you. And now lift your left kneecap up, palms together in front of your heart center. And now just look at one single focal point. Maintain your balance. So now what we are trying to do here is to find a balance. Keep your focus on just a single point so that you don't think of anything else. Just think of staying balanced. And breathe in and out. Good. Now we release our hands, followed by our and we switch legs. So now placing your weight on your right leg. And now bending your left knee. I'm your mirror reflection. And so again, your foot can be at the highest part of your opposite thigh, just above your knee or below your knee. Right? Try to maintain a balance. Don't move around. Sometimes, I lose my balance too. So yeah. Alright, and now keep your balance and palms together in front of your heart center. Look at one single point ahead. Breathe. Deep inhalation, slow exhalation. Keep your balance and focus. Good, and now release your hands, release your legs. Coming into warrior one. So first, place your right foot forward, bend your right knee 90 degrees, left foot turn 45 degrees out, left knee straight, and straighten up your arms. Not forward, but ahead, above your head. Forward is this. We do up. Okay, and just stay in warrior one. You might feel the burn in your right thigh if you seldom work out. So it's good, just keep it there. Good. And we switch legs. Left foot forward this time round. Left knee turned, bent 90 degrees. Right foot turned 45 degrees out. And hands up ahead, above your head. In warrior one. Breathing in, hand out. Good, now palms on the mat. Left foot step back. And now we come to do a lying down pose, which I guess most of you will enjoy it. So first, let's lie in hero pose. So what we're going to do is, now that you're seated on the mat, bend your right knee and place your right foot outside of your right glutes. Same thing, bend your left knee and place your left foot outside of your left glutes. And now what we want to do is just slowly lower your back down. Oh, let me find some space for myself behind. Alright, so now what we want to do is lie down slowly using your elbows to support and lie onto the mat. Right now you should feel the stretch in your front thigh. Alright, now if this pose is too intense and strong for you, then maybe you don't lie down. You can just hold it here in mid-air. Okay, don't lie down if this pose, hero pose, is too intense for you. Alright, so for those of you who can, please join me. Lower your body down. Stay relaxed. Feel the stretch in your front thigh. Now if you can, open up your hands above head and grab onto the opposite ends of your elbows. And just stay in hero pose. You can close your eyes. You can open up. But bring attention and focus to your inhalation and exhalation in hero pose. Enjoy the moment. Deep inhalation, slow exhalation. Good. Now slowly release your elbows and slowly bring your back up and release your legs out. Alright, now we'll come into a happy baby pose. So what you're going to do is to first bend your knees, keep your feet high up. With your arms, grab onto your feet from the inside and push your thighs down. This is happy baby pose. Alright, if you want to, you can shake your hips from side to side, rock it from side to side. Good. Good. And release. Let's come into fish pose. Now for some of you, you might want to do a supported fish pose, whereby you can place a block or two if you want to, okay, underneath your back and just rest in fish pose. Put it in your upper back and lean over your head. Rest the crown of your head on the mat behind you. Where this opens up your chest. If you don't want to block, it's okay too. Just rest in fish pose. Breathing in and out. And slowly lift your head up. Right, removing the blocks if you have. And now we come into everybody's favorite yoga pose, Shavasana. Now, if you want to, you can continue to stay here for as long as you want. If you want to sleep through this video, go ahead. If you're already on your bed, even better, you can fall into a deep sleep as you let your body sink into the earth without a care for the world. All you need to do is to really care for your own health, be it physical health, mental health, emotional health. You have to love yourself more. Now listen to the breath of inhalation and exhalation. Listen to how beautiful your breath sounds. With every living breath that you take in, let positive energy flow through your whole body. And with every breath out, you want to push out all your negative energy away from you, because you deserve only the good things. You deserve everything well in your life. Breathing in and out. Now as we awaken our body, wiggle your toes and fingers. Stretch your hands above your head, feet together, give your body a good stretch. And twist, bending your knees, twist over to your right side. Pushing your left hand into the mat. Come to sit, like how we started the class. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. One more time. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands down. Now placing palms together in front of your heart center. Bowing to yourself. Namaste. And thank you for joining me in today's class. I hope you enjoyed and feel much more relaxed and calm in just these few minutes of yoga practice. Now, if you can, try to practice just a few minutes every day, every other day, or 2-3 times a week. It will definitely help you to relieve any stress or anxiety you may be facing. I will be uploading more of such yoga videos into my channel, so feel free to follow and subscribe to me for more updates. If you liked what you have seen, give me a thumbs up like, give me your comments on what other questions you have, what other videos you want me to do for you. I'll be happy to do that for you as I share my yoga experience and yoga teachings with you along the way. So I hope you take care of yourself, and I'll see you in my next video.